Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So recently we have created some application and we published, and this is a one more new console is there. It is in an organization account. So as you can see, this is an app we will going to publish, that is in a like in a tax calculator, or fuel calculator is there. So we have been created this. So based on this, as you can see, we already taken some screenshot of our app and logo and everything we have created, splash screen and everything. So here is the code completely we have been copied, and each and everything description also has been ready. And this is in a code, so we have created this application from the AI studio. In that only we have been created. So we will going to publish our app in this console, and it is in a completely a new account is there. Okay, and it is an organization account. Dual tester is not required. Before we started, whoever required the DUNS number, they can contact to us to our phone number, that is 7989860888. Our 12 tester services also we have been providing. Whoever require 12 tester service, and whoever want to publish their application in our console, we have been providing. Soon we will going to start the services also. And apart from that, we are selling the play consoles also as a personal account and organization account. Whoever require the consoles also, you can contact to us at the reasonable prices. Or apart from that, you can visit to our website, that is resettechinfotech.in. You can visit to our website also, as you can see in the description also. I will going to mention our website. You can visit that and you can see the prices of the consoles, that is personal account and organization accounts are there. Whatever is there, you can able to see in the website. So let's be started to know apps. Just create an application. Same thing, nothing but new thing is there here to show you. All the last video also same thing is there. So just app name and package name, and check it's available, it's an app, it's free, then config. Okay, just create it. It's come under to a tools category only. It takes some time to creating this thing. After that, it will going to redirect the page, and you can able to see that. So as been after it's creating, it will going to get a refresh page, and it will going to redirect to the dashboard. From dashboard, we need to set up the app. Just click in an app and copy paste your policy and everything here. Just copy and paste. Why it's been showing some error here? So okay, so space is there. Just save it and go back. Sign in details are not required. I won't make most probably this kind of signing this. Just keep it as a nose. Just save it. Ads. In the future, I'm going to thinking about the place the ads here, but also I will before also I will going to keep it as a S. So in the future, I won't get a problem. Content writing. So what is a play console mail ID is there? So I will going to copy and paste it here and create it. I agree. Then no. We have to do each and everything as a no only here, because if anything you do the S, then you need to again follow the policy and everything. There's so many complicated things are there. So just go in the smoother way, so it won't be affect to your app also. And targeting audience, obviously it's 18 plus, and next just go back. And data safety, I will going to use the old data safety whatever I have, because I don't want to file it as a manual, because it's going to take so much time and I don't want to waste my time, to be honest. So that's the reason. So simple database, data safety is very good. And if you think it's such a complicated thing, any app you have in publisher, you just export it and just try to import it. Same data policy will be there. But while you are doing next, just make sure that all the things are been there, and if anything extra is there, just uncheck it off that. So if there is no extra things are there here, so I will just do it next and save it. Okay, just go back. And government app, no, obviously it's not a government app. If it is a government app, then you have to register all the documentation. It's such a big headache, to be honest. And it's like in a question bank paper will be there for you. Financial feature, no, we are not providing anything. Just save it. Just go back. Oh, advertisement. Obviously, we need to file it. Yeah, we have been deploying the SDKs of the ads also. Your advertisement. Okay, just save it. Just go back and start here. No, we are not providing any health thing, because if you are been providing health thing, then you need to declare all the things that you are a doctor or you are professional or you are a physician or anything. You need to mention all those things. So that's the reason after the COVID, they have been making such a fuse for this kind of a stuff. And after the Chinese apps banned and it has been such a complicated, that's the thing we have been mentioning the financial and everything. And the category content, it's a tools only. And most probably I will keep it as a tool only, because it's in a calculator only. It's kind of a calculator, but it is not a financial calculator. Make sure it that, because it's a field calculator. So I will just click as an a tool. Where is a tool? Oh, okay. Tools travels also I will click it. Calculator. Obviously, it's a calculator. And measurement also we can able to say that. Taxi rides, tools, taxi, traveling. That's it. No, not a big things are the required. As based on your app, you can able to add those information. That's, it's not in a rocket science to do all those things. Just okay, just go back and oh, I did more back. Sorry for that. Now the app icon and screenshot and sub short description. Here is a short description I already been taken here. If you want how you can be able to make a short description with the following with the policy and everything, just write it a comment below so I can able to make it a video on that. Or you can contact to us in WhatsApp, that is 7989860888 number is there. You can contact to us, feel free. If you have any problem or anything like that, just feel free to let us know. And app logo, oh no. Mhm. And crop it. I will going to crop it here, right, okay. And here, okay. Just save it, just add it. And feature image also we need to add it. Add it. And screenshots, yeah, I have taken the screenshots also. That is a 6 screenshots. You can upload till 8 screenshots you can able to upload, but it's depend upon you. But mandatory is a 4 screenshots are there. It is a good if you upload more. If it is a less also, it's not a big deal, but you need to upload the 4 screenshots. So as it is a six screenshots are there, so I think it's enough for me. Just add it. Rest of things I don't want to add it. All those things is useless in here, because they want to just publish their application, make it live. Because it's a new console, so that's the reason. So no need to do the such a rocket science, all those things stuff. So it's make it just simple. It'll be fine. And then the next part is release our app. We will going to release our app. Select all the countries. Just save it and create a release and upload the ABB file. And while it's been getting uploaded, we will going to write the description. That is a small description. It's up to you whether you want to write it or not, but I feel very good to write it, because anybody sees the short description, it will going to highlight in the first part in the Play Store. So that's the reason I will write mostly, so it will maybe look good. Sorry for my beard and my look, just taking it easy. Because you can't be serious all the time. Just sometimes you need to be just like in a chill. Developer fields need to be have a chill only. No need to take such a stress. After the AI comes, it's more freeze, and nowadays it's very easy to do it work now. Now it's very easy and friendly also to the work also. It's been loading. I think I will going to launch some videos in my other channel, that is a Hindi channel of that is Reset Infotech Developer is there. In that solely we are going to launch the how you can able to build the application from a AI studio, because this system RAM is not such a configured, so I need to use other system. So that's the reason. So in that we will going to do, but so much copy cut paste will be there, so it's okay. You can watch that channel also. In the next video I will going to add the links also in that. So just it's been uploaded. Just next, let's see if it is any error, we need to fix it. It's asking API disclaimer, so it's a no problem, just ignore it. That just save it, just go on overview and go overview and send the submit for review here. Okay, just click on all apps, it's showing under review, so we have been sent our app for a review now. So wait for a 7 days, then our app will be going to be live. So if you people required any dunce number or organization account or personal account, you can contact to us to our number 7989860888. And if you have any problem or 12 tester services, or you want to build your website or games and apps or anything, please let us know. We will going to help you out with any reasonable prices. And in upcoming video we will try to make the games also in the video, but I don't want to write the code, that's a big headache. But I will show you one way that you can able to fix it your codes with an error fixing and all those things in an easy way. I will going to show you in upcoming videos. So I also getting a board to publishing the app kind of a stuff, so I want to show you how you can able to build the application. So please stay tuned with our channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel. In upcoming videos you will going to get more videos and more stuffs to learn. And please write a comment below what kind of a stuffs you would really want to learn or anything like that. Okay, thank you so much you guys.